The legendary tale of River Mumma and the Golden Table. In the heart of Jamaica, where the lush greenery meets the crystal-clear waters of the Rio Grande River, there lies a tale as old as time itself, a tale of greed, treasure, and the wrath of a mermaid known as River Mumma. Centuries ago, when the Spaniards first set foot on Jamaican soil in search of gold, they left behind a treasure that would become the stuff of legends, the Golden Table. Crafted from solid gold, its intricate designs gleamed under the Caribbean sun, a testament to the wealth and power of its creators. But as the Spaniards retreated, leaving behind the island they had plundered, they unknowingly awakened the guardian of the Golden Table, a mermaid known to the locals as River Mumma. For centuries, River Mumma watched over the Golden Table, her emerald eyes scanning the horizon for any who dared to approach. And though many coveted the treasure that lay beneath the waves, none were foolish enough to challenge the mermaid's wrath. Among the villagers who lived near the banks of the Rio Grande River was a young fisherman named Donovan. Tall and lean, with skin bronzed by the sun and eyes as brown as the earth itself, Donovan had heard the tales of the Golden Table since he was a boy. Driven by curiosity and a desire for adventure, Donovan often found himself drawn to the river, his mind filled with dreams of uncovering the legendary treasure. But he knew better than to tempt fate, for the stories of River Mumma's vengeance were whispered throughout the village. One scorching hot day, as the sun beat down mercilessly upon the island, Donovan and his fellow fishermen set out to the river in search of their daily catch. But as they cast their nets into the azure waters, Donovan caught sight of something glimmering beneath the waves, a sight that made his heart race with excitement. "Look," he exclaimed, pointing to the spot where the Golden Table lay hidden beneath the river water. "The legends are true." But his companions recoiled in fear, their faces pale with dread. "You mad, Donovan," one of them cried. "You don't know the fate that awaits any who dare to disturb the mermaid's treasure." But Donovan was undeterred. Ignoring the warnings of his friends, he dove into the water, his heart pounding in his chest as he drew closer to the Golden Table. As he reached out to touch the gleaming surface, a voice echoed in his mind, a voice as soft as a whisper, yet as powerful as the ocean itself. "Turn back, mortal," it said, "lest you face the wrath of River Mumma." But Donovan paid no heed, his fingers brushing against the cold, smooth metal of the Golden Table. And as he did, the waters around him began to churn, a storm brewing beneath the surface. Suddenly, with a deafening roar, River Mumma emerged from the depths, her eyes blazing with fury as she confronted the intruder who dared to defile her domain. "Who dares to disturb the peace of my realm?" she thundered, her voice echoing across the waters. Donovan trembled before the mermaid's wrath, realizing too late the folly of his actions. But even as fear gripped his heart, he could not tear his gaze away from the mesmerizing beauty of River Mumma, her siren song calling out to him from the depths. With a flick of her tail, River Mumma summoned a powerful whirlpool, pulling Donovan into its embrace and dragging him down into the darkness below. And as the waters of the Rio Grande River closed in around him, Donovan knew that he had paid the ultimate price for his greed, a price that would serve as a warning to all who dared to challenge the might of River Mumma and the Golden Table. Please support this channel by leaving a like and subscribe. Also comment what country you are watching from.